Okay, in order to find your student's goal for the winter MAP assessments, you're going to log into the nwea.org site. You're going to log into MAP Growth. Once you get in, you're going to go to MAP Growth Reports and choose Projection or Summary. You want to make sure that it has the, winter. Choose your class. And then next. Choose Language Arts and Math. And then print PDF. Takes a few minutes to populate. It will come up here. Okay, click View. And now you can see that here's your student's name. This was their fall score, and this is their projected RIT score for winter. So you can take this information and place it on to a goal sheet. So you can put the child's name, what their fall score was. So you can go back and get their fall score, and then you can go and place that here, and then you can write their goal, which would be over here, and you can write that score in the goal, and then the students would make a goal for themselves, whether it be to be persistent and persevere throughout the test. You can also ask them to reflect on what they did last time and how they can make it better for this time. So something that doesn't necessarily have to do with meeting the score, but their behaviors of taking that assessment and what they're going to do to be the best test takers and do their best job. You can print this. Make sure that when you're putting the goals in, you have it being math and your reading scores. Has all their projected pieces on there. Close that out. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you'd like me to create your MAP goals sheets for your students. I'm happy to do that as well. Have a great day.